Okay, Taylor, will you find A for me? The letter A? Can you put it on one of our colorful squares? Good job. Oh, yellow. Yellow's nice. Okay, can you put your feet under A and tell me what A says? Can you do it 3 more times? Good job. Okay, now leave our friend A there. Can you find our friend letter T? Did you find T? Now T needs to go on this purple one right here. Okay. Can you find letter T? Put letter T where he goes. And can you jump on below T and tell me what T says? Good job. Okay, now we want to see what these letters say together. So can you put your feet on A and tell me what A says? And then jump over here to T. Can you do it again? Okay. All right. Can you do it again? Tell me what A says. What word is it, Taylor? Not quite. Just What word is it? Hat. There's no h sound. It's just What word is it, bud? That's right. It's at. Now, can you find me the letter C? And let's put our friend C on this red square. And can you tell me what the letter C says? Just the letter C. What does the letter C say?
I want to do it.
First, let's tell me what letter C says. Do you remember what? Like cut, right? Okay, now can you hop on all 3 letters and tell me what they say? Let's put our friend C back on the couch. Can you find your friend H?
I want to put my friend H on this dark purple one.
You know, that's nice, Tate, but it won't make a word if you put it on the dark purple one. So we need to, this time, we need to put our friend H on the red one.
Okay.
Thanks, bud. Can you tell me what the letter H says? Yeah, it's fun. What does H say? That's right. It says Now, can you tell me what all 3 letters say? Hat. You just read the word hat, Taylor. Good job. You can read. Okay. Can you put the letter H, our friend H, back on the couch? And we need the letter S. Can you bring the letter S over? Okay, yep. And what did you remember what the letter S says? Nope, let's try. We need the S sound at the first. What does S say? Do you know what word it is? What does A say?
T.
That's right.
T.
Good job.
T.
That's right, Taylor. So these 3 together say SAT. SAT. You got it right. Great job. You're doing a wonderful job spelling, Tay.